bridge. My mom's gonna wait there, and we're gonna go exploring there.
Okay, let's go.
That path.
Loose the sticks, baby.
Are we going this path?
Yeah, let's go this path.
Oh yeah.
Don't go that fast. Don't go that
Don't
fast.
show
It's
them the
slippery.
hill.
Yeah, the ginormous hill. Don't go that fast. It just rained today.
Where's the stick, Ethan?
We can go a safer route, but it's super long.
Stop it.
Ethan, actually stop. It's slippery.
You might even hit our head.
Ethan, we're serious. Don't do it.
Let's see the beautiful
Ah. There we go. Climbed up here. Pretty high up already.
Why do you always record the ground?
Well, I had to do it since I needed to climb
Show
up
them the
thing.
sides.
Exactly.
There's so much.
I can't look at it. I'm just gonna show
Here,
them.
can I hold it?
No, go it's on. No, that's my dad's phone.
Okay, show them everything like you can see it.
Yeah, no, that's
What's
what
the
I'm
point of
doing.
watching this then?
I'm literally looking at the screen instead of using my own eyes.
Yeah, use the screen. So you can see where the sightseeing spot.
But I won't do it while climbing up the hill. It's too dangerous.
Yeah, it's too dangerous. You don't know where you're looking at. Look.
You click on.
Oh my god, that hurt.
I missed you.
No, it hit.
Just
It almost wrapped me right on the ankle.
Look, show them the sides. That's where we were. Show them.
Yeah.
See, like the dog fell somewhere down here.
Did it survive?
Yeah, so right.
How?
I don't know. It like used itself to stop somehow. I know. A dog.
Did a rescue team come?
No.
Wow!
It was survived. It was just walking around on the ground when I fell down. Like perfectly fine. I don't know how
It's
survived.
easier to climb this part because of the roots.
Yeah, it makes it like
I'm not
stairs.
talking about a company brand. We're filming Ethan's butt.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Ethan.
You got thick booty.
No, Ethan has an ugly butt. But no one even cares. What's wrong with that?
Yeah, we're almost there.
This is tiring. I'm not
I've been
used
through
to
this
it.
path many times.
Yeah.
Some trash. Oh, some free berries.
The trash.
Oh, frick.
Hang on, we're almost at the top. They're a couple meters away.
Humans, stop littering. Me and my friends don't litter.
Or
Which
your
means you
friends.
guys shouldn't. Yeah, either. This takes about 2 minutes for us to get all the way up here.
But it's so worth it. Show them the sights. But down there.
Look down there, shall we? Okay. Yes, our resting spot.
Finally.
It's been 3 minutes.
Looking at the ground again. Oh boy, there's a puddle here.
I'm gonna see if I can zoom up on my mom.
You can't see your mom. Your mom's all the way over there.
Oh yeah, past the bridge. Stay. It's been 3 minutes. This is like a vlog
You wanna go to the
instead
second
of
one?
the video because we aren't editing.
You want to go to the second one?
No.
It's boring. Let's just go.
Where was the part under the bridge? I liked it there.
Oh, let's go. So you want to go to the to the river than under the bridge?
Wait, let's see yeah, I'm pretty sure it's under there.
Yeah, to the river than under the big bridge,
Are
right?
we going down that way or this way?
This way. We're going to the steepest hill, a very steep hill. Then we're
But
going
this
down
one is way longer than that one.
Yeah.
So yeah, but
We're going-
okay.
It's a steep
It's
hill.
fine, she'll be-
Then we're heading down under the bridge again. This was yesterday's time. Exactly what we did yesterday, but not going through
Okay,
this 3
while
times.
we're going to the bridge,
10% waiver, 10% that we're gonna get lost. Handshake?
Get waiver.
Okay, waiver. Thank you. And now you. 10% that we're gonna get lost.
Country
no, guys,
road,
and if we get lost,
road,
If we get
to
lost,
where
there's no point.
Oh, yeah.
to it.
Do it. Let's go explore. Yeah.
Dummies.
Come on, let's go. Let's go and take a break.
And also, if we get lost, not my fault. No, my fault.
We'll just find our way back.
The river.
And if someone comes here, I'm gonna borrow their phone so I can call my mom so they can
well, you
send
have
her
your
picture
own
with
a
you.
phone.
Oh yeah, my dad's phone.
Stupid.
You stupid.
I could just call my mom.
Stupid.
What if they lost their phone too?
That wouldn't happen.
Yeah, stop. Don't waste, the bad video time. Because we don't have some searching amount of time. We only record like 40 minutes.
Okay. Country road. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. should have used sandwich batteries. So
Next time we should bring Oreo.
then
We
only
can record Oreo in it. By the way, Oreo's a dog.
what the?
What?
Oh shit.
How's that?
Go.
Honey, shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
Careful, guys. I saw something move over there. Like bushes.
Damn.
Wait.
Get
Okay, I just heard it again. I'm gonna keep an eye over there. In case we die, we will have video evidence of who killed us. But that probably won't happen. Cause, you know.
Okay, guys, we're halfway through.
And we
Actually, we're three-quarters through.
take me home.
This is where we peed last time. We had to hold it.
No, you peed there.
And where did we pee again? Oh yeah, you just peed right into the water.
No, I peed down there. Somewhere.
Guess where we live? What country?
Country
no
road.
They probably have no idea.
No, they know it's probably Canada.
Oh yeah, it looks like them. Seriously.
Yeah, there are a lot of maple trees here.
Yeah. And also it's like USA.
USA.
USA?
Yeah, USA. USA. I know it
Hey
is.
guys, we're almost there.
Damn. Damn.
I'm pretty sure this egg is away.
This is?
I don't think so. I'm pretty sure the egg yet.
Oh yeah,
Like,
we could
okay.
have just moved that way. Yeah, it should be there.
Yeah, I'd like the same place.
Yeah, oh yeah, wait. Oh yeah, the big bird tree.
Oh, damn, that's it's so much dirt.
Thick boy.
That's a damn.
Damn boy.
Or there, Gary. Let's go. Or there.
Okay, it's been 6 minutes.
Look at
We've
that
been traveling for 6 minutes.
Look at that bird.
When we separated from my mommy. Oh my god, why did these sticks have so much mud in them? Oh yeah, this is a cheapest
I
hill.
need another wafer that we won't die.
You won't die.
Let's see it.
3.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Like, subscribe, and share. The next episode will come. Yeah, notification.
Let's go. Let's go. Don't show them it. Don't show them it.
No.
Bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
I'm gonna
Bye.
make a new video for the
Bye.